How to delete my Spotify account. If you want to delete your Spotify account, open the Spotify app, tap on the profile icon, go to settings and privacy, and from here you can see many options, right? But from the app, you actually won't find the option to delete your account. So what we have to do is, we have to simply open up our browser, then we have to simply go to spotify.com, then log into your account. Once you log into your Spotify account, tap on the gear icon from the top right and go to support, which will take you to support.spotify.com. Then in the search bar, you simply want to search something like closing account. So when you search for that, you'll find a search result that says closing your account and deleting your data. Simply tap on that link and it will take you to a certain article. Now, once we've tapped on it, there are two options: got premium or don't have premium. So if you have premium like me, then you have to tap and close your account and delete your data. But I'd recommend that you cancel the subscription before you try to delete your account. And if you don't have premium and if you're a free user, you can tap on this link instead that says close your account and delete your data. It will ask you for a confirmation where is this the account you want to close. Then yes, you can tap on continue option to close your account. This way you'll be able to delete my Spotify account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.